Welcome back to Butler Family Farm. This is Susan and Robert. We're out doing a little follow-up video on a task, procedure, process, whatever you want to call it, that our utility company has with a tree trimming company. So we were contacted about coming out on the property and trimming up some trees, which we just really couldn't figure out what trees they could be. But I guess the rule of thumb is, we were told this morning, is that the tree growth, the trees need to be 10 feet away from the power lines. So this tree is over in field 9, and somehow they got over there. We're not exactly sure how, but I'm gathering that they backed their truck. There's some tracks back here, and they backed their truck and went across that way. But I'm going to show you the other trees that got trimmed up, and we asked them not to mulch it up, grind it up, that we would come out here and clean it up and use what we could for firewood and our ricks. This tree here wasn't on their list of ones to trim. It's one that obviously got hit by lightning or maybe the wind. It's probably, you know, half dead anyway, and so we'll have to take care of that. I think we're doing a work party on Saturday, so maybe we'll just add this to our list. But here's another tree that they trim. And the thing about the company that just gripes my butt is that they're not landscaping, so they don't care what the tree looks like. They just go in and chop off what needs to be cut to meet their contract guidelines with Liberty. So this tree here in the corner isn't too bad. It'll still have some leaf and it won't look lopsided, I don't think, but you can see where they've cut. And then this is the stuff we'll have to clean up. And Wayne and Tribe usually have some bonfires going. This particular tree fell down, broke off. But anyway, Wayne and Tribe usually have some bonfires going, so there's a lot of limbs that they can do that with. So anyway, just a little update on the property. Thanks for watching. Come back and see us, and have a great day. Hello viewers, welcome back to Butler Family Farm, and I am going to show you what is going on in our neighborhood weather-wise. We've got winds right now at 30 miles an hour. It's about 5 o'clock Central Time, and we were told this was going to happen, so we're prepared. And I just want to let you hear what it sounds like to be at 30 miles, 35. I'll show you my little trees blowing in the wind. This was my little willow tree that I planted 2 years ago. It's actually a curly willow tree, and it's starting to green out. But the wind right now is from the west, southwest. And my Christmas tree that I planted way out here is blowing pretty good. Animals don't care. Goats are all out. Get over here closer for you. The goats are all out munching on green grass that is growing out there now. They don't seem to care that it's so dang windy. They've got their huts for later on. We had almost 0.3, almost 0.4 inches of rain yesterday. So you can see how it's blowing around this one particular tree limbs right here, and you can hear it. Thankfully, early last fall, we trimmed up a lot of dead